All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back. So today I have a new unit for you guys. This is from Nadula Hair. This is their EasiContour unit. This is their upgraded vpart, you guys, in a brand new color. Okay, ready for fall. So first, to start off, you guys, this is how your unit will come. The actual V part right here, they have upgraded basically to make it seem like it's just coming right out of your scalp. So no more of that weft like the old one. And also they added an elastic drawstring adjustment so that it can just fit to your head however you need it to be. It's basically more customizable and more comfortable also for you. It's a very lightweight design, you guys. I've said this before, but this is such a great upgrade. The drawstring is my absolute favorite. And then here just some more little bits and pieces like an elastic band, a breathable design as well. And of course, let's get into this color, you guys. So if you don't want to do the basic black for fall, get into this like nice little brown moment they are doing for you. So here, y'all, is what I have going on with my natural hair. I've taken out the middle and I've taken out the sides for, you know, just blending purposes. Take out as little or as much as you want. I really like taking out more of my edges, which is something I did not do, but since they've upgraded, I just feel like everything just flows when more of my edges is taken out. And then of course, grab that drawstring in the back like you see me doing right here, tighten it up, and you are good to go. You've got a nice secure fit. And honestly, you guys, this should not take you very long. In this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different styles. The first one's just going to be quick and easy. Like, I was going on another lunch date with my husband because he stayed home this day and I was not trying to do the most. So basically, I'm gonna show you a little by little. Like, we're gonna just go into gradual style. So this first style, what I'm doing right here is very simple. This is what I would do just on a normal, like, daily basis, just running errands or just hanging out. I left out my edges, you guys, and my hair is not heat trained or anything like that, so I definitely need the heat for it to blend properly. So just flat iron my edges. And then next, to break up this length, y'all, you gotta add some layers. Don't be afraid to cut your hair. Don't be afraid to at least add some face framing pieces. It's going to make your unit, whether you're doing a V part, whether you have a full wig or whatever, it's going to make it look a lot more natural versus everything just being one length. So start just right in the front like I'm doing right here. If you're not comfortable with cutting and you don't want to cut too much, just break up that length a bit right here in the front. And then I'm just going to in with my flat iron, and then I'm going to go in actually with my wavy talk that I have just been absolutely loving. Y'all have to get this. I'm going to link it down below. It's inexpensive. It comes with different like attachments. That's what I'm using right here. This little heated little thing that I'm doing, this little heated comb or whatever. Y'all, I've been using nothing but this, and this hair curls so well. Like, it takes heat so well. Y'all see me just gliding it through. The blend on this with my 4B 4C hair is perfect. Like, this is gonna be the best blend that you're going to get, the most natural. If you really wanted to make it look as natural as possible, you would even add some layers in the back, but I didn't do that. I'm just taking my wavy talk, just curling the ends, just keeping things very simple, you guys. And then I'm gonna go in, lay my edges, tie my hair down, let everything just kind of, you know, just have a second to get all nice. And you know, once you do your hair, you need it to just have a moment once you put your scarf on. And then I'll show you guys this first look, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next 2 looks I got for you. So y'all, here's the first look. Very simple, but look at that blend. If your hair just goes back, if you put it behind your ear, from the middle part to the side, everything just blends so perfectly. So let's move on to the next one. So honestly, next, you guys, I was like, what could I do? Like, what cute style could we do if, let's just say, we're out, we're doing Halloween is coming up. We're out with the boo, we're out with the family. We need to pull our hair back. We're on hay rides. We're on what is it? Haunted houses or whatever. And so I was like, okay, we got some elastic. We can just pull the sides back into a little ponytail and we're good to go. Of course, because I am not there, I'm at my home at this moment. I'm going to go ahead and take the ends and curl them a little bit tighter just to show you guys how easily this hair, number one, curls and how easily it is to curl with this wavy talk, because I'm going to pressure you guys into buying this because it has been a game changer for me. And this style came out so cute. Just another very simple style. Something you could also do like a holiday party or a cute little day date at a winery with your boo. This style works very girly as well and very cute. So last, y'all, let's do a style for a holiday party. And the holidays are here. We're in October, y'all. It's go, go, go from here on out. So save this video, save this style, get this unit as well if you are going to, if you don't want to miss out and you don't want to have to deal with your hair this holiday season. I've got the wig for you and I've got the styles for you. So first, I just grabbed my little long bangs in the front, pulled some pieces out, and then did the same thing. Just pulled the hair back, added one elastic on each side, and then just bringing everything up into a little messy bun right here. I love adding the little elastics on the side before pulling the hair up. I think it just adds a little bit of something to the hairstyle. And then, y'all, I'm just gonna take my wand curler and curl my front pieces and also go right in and curl the rest of the hair. Once you finish curling each piece, don't comb it out, don't brush it out, don't comb it out. Just spray with a little hairspray and you are good to go. I love this style. I think it's so cute. It's perfect for the holiday season, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have all the details down there. It's gonna be a good addition to your holiday hair stash, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.